Hi, organization and management people, week 6. Oy, are you ready for your output this week? Pag walang pasok, well, siyempre, wala tayong magagawa. Ngayon, wala pala pa. Bukas, so ituloy natin yung output natin, activity output natin. So prepare kayo, sulpak na lang. Okay? So, let me summarize the week para naman may natutunan tayo. Gumawa rin akong video lesson sa lahat ng subjects ko. And ito yung last. Now, it's, what time is it? 10:19. Okay, hopefully I can post this. Ay, mapapost ko to bago sa klase natin. Okay, let's start. Week 6 tayo. Summary. We're talking about planning. Remember, POLK planning. Okay, so nasa P tayo, planning. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Narinig ko to 1990 sa professor ni Professor D.G. Wilson Solis sa college, AUF. So sabi niya sa akin, favorite ako nun. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So kung narinig nyo na ngayon ito, matagal na to class. Hindi original sa professor nyo. Professor ko ang original yan. Hindi ko alam. Pero 1990 pa yon. Bago pa pinatubo. Okay? It's true. We have to plan. Otherwise, we will fail. We plan because we can calculate the risk, calculate the success, and if we can calculate the risk and success, we can determine if we're gonna push through with our plan or with our action. That's why we have to plan. If you don't plan, hula-hula, hindi ako naniniwala sa trial and error class. We have to plan and try it. And if we fail, we know that we calculated the failure. Hindi siya epic fail. Planning is also a discovery of alternative paths. Just like I mentioned. Benefits of planning. Siyempre, it sharpens focus, meaning yung direction mo. Nagpa-plan ka, so alam mo na, pasikot-sikot, saan ka papunta. It provides flexibility. Papunta ka dito, medyo palpak tayo, lipat tayo dito. It improves coordination. Kailangan natin ito kasi ayon sa plano natin para ma-achieve natin ito, kailangan natin ng 5 tao, kailangan natin ng gamit, coordination. Ano yung tightens control? Nung nag-plan tayo, pag pumunta tayo dito, palpak, wag dyan. Control. Types of plan, may long range, may short range. We use long range plan if we're talking about big plans. Plans na maraming puhunan. Plans na kailangan may steps na gawin. Yung mga factors, yung mga variables ay, ang tawag dito, ay hindi siya madaling kunin o madaling implement. Long range yan. Short range, yung mabilis ang decision lang yan. Na less risk, less damage. And compared sa long range, kailangan talagang plan dyan. Kasi yung damage niyan, pag pumalpak, malaki. Yung short range, ito yung mga basic things, everyday things. Pwede mag-plan yan. Yung gagawin ngayon mismo, short range plan yan. Gawin araw na to, short range. Long range yun, it takes time. Like, in 5 years gawin natin to. So, meron steps yan every year, long range. Operational plans, standing plans, and single-use plans. Dalawa yan, standing plans, single-use plan. Operations, pag sinabing operations, galawan. When we're talking about business, things that will happen or things that you need to do in order for the business to operate or produce its output or products. So, mayroon standing plans, may single-use plans. Standing plans yun, ginagamit mo like lagi. Like, example of standing plans is schedule ng mga teachers. Every day, dapat 8 hours or 9 hours yan. Ilan hours gagawin sa labas, ilan hours sa loob. Magbabago yan bukas, hindi. Standing plan yan. Single-use plan, yung DRRM. Although standing plan yon kasi every quarter, pero it's single-use for every month or every implementation. Yan. Hindi na pwedeng araw-araw DRRM o wala na mag-aaral. No? Single-use. So, ano pag single-use plan? Pag emergencies, usually yan. Yan. Like, let's say, manonood tayo ng sine class, project ng school. Yung bang bibili ba tayo ng service ng sasakyan para lang doon? Hindi. Magre-rent lang tayo. Single-use plan yan ng sasakyan. Strategic plan and functional plan. Okay. Strategic plan is something that you need to create in order for you to achieve your long-term, usually long-term to. Functional plan, usually short plan at operational plan, meaning you have to use it now. Strategy, you have to plan it step by step to achieve your goal. Functional, do it now, otherwise walang mangyayari. Function. And that's related to operational plan. Okay, in terms of horizon or intended duration, a company's long-range plans are traditionally those that look at 3 or more years. At least ayon sa book. It depends on your company or your product or your plans. Okay? Like me, gusto ko maging doktor, na pwedeng 3 years yun. No? 6 years yun. See? Gusto ko makasabi ng isang senior high school, gusto ko makagraduate ng, ang pinaka-long range plan ko, magiging professional CEO. Hindi na pwedeng bukas na bukas. Hindi na pwedeng after 3 years. Okay? CEO needs 10 years experience related work. Long range plan. Short-range plan are usually those that cover a period of 1 year or less. Lower. Okay? Yung example ko kanina ay yun tawag dito. Short, pang student. Ito, company ang tawag. So, 1 year or less. Ayan. So, alimbawa yung long-range plan yung ano yung expansion natin sa company, ilang branches ang pwedeng magawin. Short range yun, ano yung Christmas party natin? Ano yung gagawin natin sa team building outing? Ano yung resupply natin this year? Ayan. Operational plan. Okay. Usually ito mga policies kasi everyday steps ito sa company para umandar yung kumpanya. Okay. Rule. Okay. Operational plan yan. It's more specific guidelines. Like policy, it's about, everybody's affected for company policy. Everybody will follow it. Ito yung operational plan. Rule is specific department plan. Okay? Pero, hindi ito nagba-violate ng company policy. Examples of rules, ito. To prevent workplace accidents due to employer error. Ito, kailangan gawin ito. Cluster. Check workers are competent and qualified for the job. Ensure workers are complying with the operational safety measures. Promote discipline rules. Yan. Yan. Ito pa. To avoid accidents. Appropriate equipment. Okay, nasa book ito. Just check it out. Examples of rules. Ayan, hazard. Okay, strategic plan naman tayo, class. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, ha? Pause lang yung video. Okay, developed by top management. Okay. Strategic plans covered entire company. O yan, nasabi ko nga, buong company. And policy, just like policies. Direction it will take in coming years. So, long range siya, long term. Functional plans. They're also strategic plans, top management, therefore translated into detailed functional plans made in the middle or lower levels of management. So, meron tinatawag na yung unang plan. Ngayon, para ma-implement yung plan ng CEO, ito yung functions nila, galawan nila, functional plans. Plans are made from the top, cascaded down. Ayan. Here's how plans are executed. Okay. Ito, functional, etc. So, top management develops strategic plans. Ito yung summary. Mid-management develop functional plans para magamit ng lower management or supervisor management to develop operational plans or rules. Yan. So, strategic plans, policy. Developmental functional plans, ito yung mga steps to implement the policy. And yung rules na susundan dahil sa policy doon sa supervisory level. Okay, drill tayo. Tingnan natin kung naintindihan nyo. What kind of plans is needed? Strategic or functional lang ang choices. Focus. Warning sign. Restricted area, authorized personnel. Functional yan eh. Kasi without yan, hindi mag-operate yung business. Function. Marketing plan. Top level yan. Ano yan? It is what you call strategic. Boss eh. No ID, no entry. Ayan, ngayon yan. Functional. Operational. Rule. Functional. Wet floor. Siyempre, ne? Kailangan lang 3 years. Planuenda. No wet floor. Ayan. Global leadership. Online entertainment. Planning yan sa taas. CEO level. Strategic plan yan. Contingency plan yan. Contingency meaning emergency. Functional. Uy, strike. Ito. Medyo mahirap to. Pwede yan strategic kasi magde-decide ang management kung paano ayusin yung sistema ng company para hindi na mag-strike. Yan. Pwede rin functional. Bawalan sila. Ay, ito, price range. Strategic yan. Okay. Hindi lang basta-basta magbibigay ng sale ang isang airline. Strategic yan. Price range again, strategic yan. Pero it's implemented functional. Siyempre sasabihin ng top management, ganito yung price natin. Saan nagaling to? Okay. Tapos, implement sa functional. Okay, ito yung presyo natin. Please pay here. Okay, functional yan. Direction, rule. Google mission statement. Oh, obvious naman. Strategic upper management yan. Top management. CEO level. Scarcity. Food. Ay, immediate need yan. Functional. How to properly wear a face mask. Oy. No. Functional. Uy, contingency. Functional yan. Emergency. Siyempre, you also plan how safety rules are made, but nandyan na yan. So, ano gagawin? Uy! Yung mga duck, cover, and hold. Yung mga pre-practice na yan. Functional. Please wait here. Functional. Okay? Tapos na. Okay, so that's it for week number 6. Don't forget to read the lecture and presentation na tayo. Have a nice day.